It is a good idea to go up to the eye of the whale and try to meet the whale, let the whale know that you're there. So
Bailey. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty boy. Hi there, my boo. Hi. 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 Oh, you're trying to get up here, huh? Are you trying to get up here?